Hey kids, welcome back to our channel. My all numbers are disappear. Can you help me? Okay, let's find them and make lots of fun. Wow, look at this house. It's an animal house. It's looking so beautiful. It has 3 doors, red, blue, green. I think our numbers are hide inside this house. Let's find them. First open red door, then blue, after that green. Here we got some shape and number. This is number 0. This one is 1. After that 4 and 3. Let's put back on puzzle board. First we take number 0. This is number 0. Let's put it number 0 here. Next we got a number 3. This is number 3 and we should put it number 3. 1, 2, 3 is here. Next we have a number 4. Speak with me. 4. Nice. Number 4 always come number 3. So we should put it here. This is number 1. Speak with me. 1. Where we should put number 1? 0, 1. Number 1 goes here. Number 2 is missing. Let's find them. Number 2. I think number 2 is hide this sand. Let's find. Hey number 2, where are you? Yes, we got it. This is number 2. The perfect spot number 2 is here. Number 2 come between 1 and 3. Let's put it there. I hear our next number is hide among these star blocks. Let's find. Wow, it's so beautiful. We got 1, 2, 3. Only 3 numbers we got here. Let's see which number we get from there. This is number 8. Speak with me. 8. Well done. Let's put it 8 here. The next we got number this way it's a 9 and this way it's a 6. So match the color. No. This one, yes, it's a pink. Mean it's a number 6. Number 6 got here. Next is number 9. Speak with me. 9. Great job. Let's put it number 9 here. Let's find the number 7. Do you see here any number? I think number is hide inside this shape. Let's find. Here is square in different color. Here is a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is rectangle. Here is circle. Yes, we got it from here. Our next number 7. Let's put it number 7 between number 6 and 8. It's there. It's a helicopter. Helicopter is carrying a number. Let's see. This is number 10. 1, 0, 10. Let's place number 10 after number 9 here. Wow, look at this. A jeep is coming. Jeep is carrying a number. Let's see. This is number 12. 1, 2, 12. Where we should number 12? Here. It's not fit. Maybe here. Let's try. Yes, it's a perfect place for that. Here is colorful bucket. Underneath each bucket we get a number. Let's start with this one. It's a white color bucket. Let's see which number we get. Here we got number 19. 1, 9, 19. Where we should put number 19? Match the color here. No, it's not match. Here is blue. Here is pink. I think here is the perfect matching of color. Let's put it there. Nice. Now we see underneath this orange bucket. Here we got number 20. 20, 20. Number 20 always come after 19. So we should put it right there. Can you tell me now we choose which one bucket? This one? No. Okay, this one. Alright, I see underneath tail green bucket. Underneath we got a number 15. 15. Where we should put number 15? Match the color. No, it's not match. Yes, it's perfect matching. So let's put it here. Well done, kids. Now we see underneath yellow bucket. It's a big bucket. Let's see. Here we got number 18. 18. This is number 18. Number 18 always come before number 19. So let's put it number 18 here. Now it's your turn. Tell me which bucket we choose. This one. It's a small bucket. Let's see which number we get. Here we got a number 16. 16. Let's match the color. Not match color. I think here is matching the color. It's a right spot for that. Let's put it there. Now I'm confused. Which bucket underneath we check next number? Okay, let's see underneath this one. It's a purple bucket. Here we got number 13. 13. Number 13 goes after number 12. So let's put it number 13 here. Now we choose smallest bucket. This one? No. This one? Yes, that is the smallest bucket among them. Here we got number 11. 11. Where we should put number 11? Before number 12. Let's put it number 11 here. Now we choose the biggest bucket among them. Which one is biggest? This? No. This one? Yes, it's the biggest bucket, green color. Here we got number, it fell down. Number 14. 14. Number 14 come between 13 and 15. So let's put it number 14 here. Now we select this pink one. Let's see what is underneath. Here we got a number 5. Number 5 come here. Now we have left only one. It's a blue color bucket. Underneath we get a number 17. 17. 17 come here. Our puzzle board is complete. Let's do one more time. Speak with me loudly. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay kids, see you soon in next video. Bye bye. Take care.